Absorbing knowledge. Unleashing a mind like a sponge. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, a mind like a sponge. This expression paints a vivid picture, but what does it really mean? Let's soak up all the details about this phrase, shall we? At its core, a mind like a sponge refers to someone's remarkable ability to absorb and retain information easily and quickly. Just like how a sponge soaks up water. It's often used to describe learners who can pick up new knowledge or skills effortlessly. But why a sponge, you might ask? Well, sponges are known for their absorbent nature, which makes them an excellent metaphor for learning and memory in this context. This phrase can be used in both formal and informal settings. You might hear a teacher say, "My new student has a mind like a sponge. She remembers everything I teach." Or, in a casual conversation about learning a new language, someone might say, "I wish I had a mind like a sponge." It would make mastering new vocabulary so much easier. It's a positive expression, highlighting a person's learning capabilities in a complimentary way. To fully grasp how this phrase is woven into everyday language, let's look at some examples. Even at 80, my grandfather has a mind like a sponge, constantly learning new things. You should take up that coding class. With a mind like a sponge, you'll be an expert in no time. Kids really do have minds like sponges. They absorb so much of what they see and hear. It's also interesting to note similar expressions that convey the idea of being a quick learner. Phrases like quick on the uptake, sharp as a tack, and eager beaver are somewhat related but focus more on quick understanding or enthusiasm for learning rather than the ability to absorb information. And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, a mind like a sponge. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use this expression more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and expressions like these make it all the more colorful and engaging. Until next time, keep your minds open and ready to absorb new knowledge, just like a sponge. Happy learning!